Hello everyone, this is Amulya from Aura Realty. I'm delighted to share the latest construction update of Aura Realty's ultra-luxurious project, The Pearl, located in Hi-Tech City. Standing tall as a symbol of sophistication and comfort, The Pearl has redefined ultra-luxury living with its 414 single-floor sky mansions available in two grand configurations of 5,300 and 5,400 square feet. Each home here represents a finest expression of design and detail, bringing together its exclusivity, elegance, and craftsmanship in harmony. So let's begin with the latest construction progress across the project. Let's begin with the update with Phase 1. All the structural works have been completed for the Stellar, the Wellfleet, the Pelican, and the Bellon towers. Terrace waterproofing is now fully completed across all 4 towers. In the non-tower area, precast slab erection works have achieved 98% completion. The east side retaining wall is 95% completed, while the south side common boundary retaining wall is now fully completed. Vacuum dewatered flooring, 95% completion for the first and second basement level, and 90% completed for the third basement level. Grade slab works are 95% completed for the third basement level. Ceiling painting is progressing at 90% completion, with the column painting underway. Firefighting works is 70% completed. Structural works for entry portal 1 are now complete. External painting, flooring, and toilet ladder works are in progress on all 4 towers. Moving on to the Phase 2. The towers are progressing rapidly. The Duxbury Tower has reached the 25th floor level. The Austria Tower has reached the 25th floor level. The Westport Tower has progressed up to the 11th floor level. Additionally, the foundation works for the sewage treatment plant are underway. The proposed 100 feet approach road is now fully complete and will soon connect directly to the Pearl Grand Entrance. Lastly, the clubhouse structure is 100% completed and dome works have reached 90% completion. Die-grade erection works are currently in progress, marking a key milestone in the architectural finishing of this signature facility. You can experience the ultra-luxury of the Pearl through the impeccably crafted model flat on the 4th floor of the Bellon Tower, where a glimpse of your lifestyle unfolds. This concludes the October 2025 construction update for the Pearl by Aura Realty, with Phase 1 reaching the advanced finishing stages and Phase 2 steadily rising. The Pearl continues to redefine what ultra-luxury truly means in Hyderabad. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards perfection, and stay connected with Aura Realty for more updates as we continue crafting a landmark that will stand as a true gem in the skyline of Hi-Tech City. This is Amulya signing off.